Hello everyone, it's your girl Monica Lobolobo. Welcome back to my channel where we discuss and talk about things that surround us, things that happen to us every day, eye-opening messages. You can always get it from here. If you have not subscribed and follow and like and click on notification button, please do it right away. And don't forget to always share our video with friends and family to give awareness to them. You never can tell. And this morning, wetin I want talk about be say the reason why you no go dey carry something go home for people or bring something come back. Yes, now I want talk about because e don reach now wey e go be say anybody wey wan eat anything from Africa make e take by himself buy ticket make e go. If e no go, na im own. My people, una see within the week, like last week, this video wey go viral, wey be say person go Nigeria, these people wey dey bring something, dey do business, say that they carry things, they go home, that they bring things come back for us for here. Wey person come go tell am say, help me carry something come o, e come go give am something wey for put that person for prison. Na God save am. How God even take save am, how the person even take do, say still bring the thing come here, abi na Nigeria, they can't get the thing. I don't really know. One still dey that day where pregnant woman go carry another person pikin, want to go collect crayfish. Meanwhile, inside the crayfish, they put gbogbo riche. They put ogbomosho, something where they kill person, where they put man for prison, 21 years, 10 years, 12 years. Why our people, why we wicked to ourselves like this? Why? Business no go let you do better business where they make person they get better name for abroad. E no go let you do. We say Africa no good, na make many of us run enter road, gbogbo, take come here. Some come by flight, some come by road, some come by do or die. As we don't still come here finish, wetin we dey fit do now? Now to come still dey do bad thing again. E no good. If your husband they do that business where they carry something, go home, they come back. I bet my sister, if they bring something come, make una the table una self check am well. But I don't know how una want to check am because even this one where they cash, now inside slippers, inside shoe that they plaster and they go man, you no go even know. Maybe people will still cash am at then, or maybe now God just say make your eyes see say this thing you get as e be. If they give me that kind of thing, I no go know. That's why me, Monica, now I don't pull up. If I want go home or I want come back from Nigeria or anywhere where I travel go, person give me something, I bet me, I know they carry. I no go carry. If you say na bad mind, now you buy ticket for me. I no go carry because una no good. If una follow road, una must spoil am. E no good. I no go carry. And if my friend want go home also, he say he no go carry load for me. I no go vex. Me, I no fair even fair they give person load safe. If my friend say he no go carry load for me, I no go vex so. Because this one where they don't do so, they don't spoil am. If I want chop Africa food, say I must chop am. I go post am through DHL. They will bring am. You see, who not gonna get money to take they do posting now? Make it keep the Africa food. Make keep am for himself. Or make go they buy for Africa shop for here. E no good. Make we no dey follow place, make they spoil am. If Oyibo come still stop una license now, una wey get license, where they bring something come for home, they will come say Oyibo no like us, Oyibo no like us. If Oyibo allow una to come dey spoil their place, the way una spoil una own, e go good. No be because this one not do, that one is not allowed, this one is not allowed. No be make us still dey here so they enjoy. They make us dey here where we dey fit access everything easily. How person go give you load? You go give person load, make carry come abroad. You go know say this thing where you put for inside this thing, e no good. If they catch this person, na prison go, you go still do am. Why una wicked black people? Why una always they use illegal way Eh? Why una dey use illegal way take dey look for money? Why? E good. If na your husband, you go like am. Say your husband, they can't cash am for wetin he no know anything about. And you know, say these people where they carry something go home. So God forbid bad thing, make something not happen to them for road. Now me and you go first to say, hey, now so that they do business. We not go even believe say now somebody give them. We go say now they take by themselves they do am. My people, wait till you know say they know they do, you know they do person. Wait till you know say they know they do, you know they do person. It not good. Una carry this. The other one that day na crayfish. When she want go collect the thing inside the crayfish, they can't hide something inside. Contraband something, drug where they take the sentence people. When the woman want can go collect the thing, they can't go look for pregnant woman. They can't pay. Then they can't give the woman another person pikin for boogie, make it they push and they go. So that kind of person now, if police see and they go throw away eye for their body, very soon now, they go see pregnant woman, they go they abuse now. They go they mishandle now. They'll constantly they say, hey, oyibo don start. Because now the first starter. If with your pregnancy, you know shame not there your eye, you not get any dignity of yourself. You carry yourself, they go, how much they pay you, my sister? How much they pay you? If they don't pay you 30 euro, you carry your pregnancy, carry another person picking, another offense, one go carry something where you don't know. For person to come pay you, say, oh, my sister, come help me go bring this thing, come. They tie your own leg and your own hand. Your own leg and your own hand, it break. You no go know, say, na something there inside that thing. Why would they do like this? Tomorrow now they'll start to the rough and down now will be pregnant woman. Person you're saying they pregnant, or Ibogo wants to rough and do you. Go come they say, see what they do to pregnant woman. Pregnant woman will not respect herself. You don't know say go get what you want. The other one. So my people, but they use this advice, take break, come and be say, if you they go home, trust nobody. Not carry load for nobody. My people, if you they go home, now your ticket now you buy. I know say some people say, Monica, this advice. No, because these days, the way people come they do these days, you really know say the world is going to an end. They don't have sympathy for their neighbors anymore. They know they think they are your own, not their own, they know. Check up, they be. If you know waka, let me pass. They not go even say, give me chance. They'll climb your head, pass. Person wey don dey jealousy that your business where you dey do, it go one come spoil am for you. If you dey use am take do business, I bet my brother they control well, they check am well. Make you not come go prison of wetin you know nothing about. And you wey wan go home, wey use your money to buy ticket, no carry load for anybody, no carry load for them, because the whole cloth where they'll bring come, you know if it's Sasha. The whole shoe where they'll bring come, you know if it's Sasha. Maybe the one where you know look well, now there they put the thing. Monica say, make una not they carry load for anybody. If una want go home, anybody we want give something to people for home, make it go poster, because now they don't spoil the road. If you they come back from Nigeria, they say help me carry something, no carry, except if maybe the person say, I bet take 100 euro, help me take buy crayfish. Come, you will take by yourself buy the crayfish. Except say your friend say, oh my friend, I bet take 50 euro, help me take buy ogbolo. Come, you will take by yourself buy the ogbolo. If he tell you say my mama they bring something come for you, no carry. If he say my sister they bring something come for you, no carry. If he say my brother they bring something come for you, no carry. Leave that thing if you not fit talk. Person like me, I will fit talk. I know the carry. If you want, make I carry something for you, You feel if maybe we too close, I no even sure say I'll do am for anybody. My people, make una wash out o. Agbona na gije na e don make dimi. Don deep. People no get time for you again. Na their own they know. Anything wey go comot you for the way, make dem for come shine your shine. Na im they know. Okay, be careful. Be careful of people wey you wan carry something for. Be very careful. As for my own Monica advice, I tell you say no carry at all. No carry for anybody. Anybody wey wan carry something go Nigeria, make e go post am. Anybody wey wan bring something come for Nigeria, make dem post am to am. If you no get address wey your mama wan take send you ogbolo and crayfish, go buy for Africa shop. After all, that's why Africa shop dey there, make people dey buy something for there. If everybody come dey bring ogbolo and egusi come from market, who wan follow Africa people? The Africa shop people for here dey buy am. You wey never get address, you wey never get paper, wetin you dey use? Now those type of una na im dey desperate wey dey do anything. That's why my people wey be say illegal people wey you see say dey desperate for money, abeg, bend your nyash, do like this. You see me so, give them chance, make them pass. No dey follow them, dey do anything wey be trustworthy something. No dey follow them, dey do am. Because you see those people, they don't know what is trustworthy. They don't know what is good name. All they know now, I want make am, I want be first, I want be fair, I want quickly gather, make them not come carry me go. Before they do that one, it don't spoil everything, don't spoil a good name. When we go say, if you reach abroad, pursue paper first, they will just say you don't know what they talk. So when time come, when the one come, they use you, take climb ladder, I bet make you get sense. You wey your husband, they carry something go home. You wey wife, they carry something go home. More now they check and well, because not be my prison, I want go now na prison. And you wey not they carry something go, but you just want travel, go your land. And all your friends for church, everybody, come carry this one for me, come carry this one. Not be by carry something, now people take be friend these days. Oh. Even friend will not gather it together. It can betray you. Because you know why? The world is coming to an end. Trust no one. They are all devil out there. You understand? They are all devil out there. Be careful. Be careful. Be very careful what you take home for people and what you are bringing in for people. My personal Monica advice, I will tell you, don't bring anything for anybody. If they want to bring something, let them go and post it by themselves. If you cannot post it, buy it here. Thank you. That was just my little advice this morning. And I see you next time. Bye-bye.